Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I'm David.
And hello from me too. I am Alice. We are so happy you are here today.
Yes, welcome. Today we have a very special topic. It is something we do every single day. Alice, what are we talking about?
Today we are talking about our daily routine.
Daily routine. That means the things we do every day, from the morning until the night.
Exactly. Daily routine. Let's say that together slowly. Daily routine.
Perfect. Before we start, if you like our videos, please click the subscribe button. It helps our channel a lot.
Yes, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Now, David, let's talk about the morning. What is the very first thing you do every day?
Well, the very first thing I do is wake up. I wake up at 6 a.m.
Wow, 6 a.m.? That is very early. You are an early bird, David.
Yes, I am an early bird. I like the morning. I wake up at 6 a.m. Alice, what time do you wake up?
Oh, I am not an early bird. I am a night owl. I wake up at 8 a.m.
8 a.m.? That is not too late, but it is later than me. Let's repeat that for our friends. Wake up.
Wake up. I wake up. You wake up.
Right. But Alice, there is a difference between waking up and getting up.
Oh yes, that is a very good point. Let's explain that. I wake up at 8 a.m. That means my eyes open, but I do not leave my bed.
I know. You stay in bed.
Yes, I stay in bed for 15 minutes. I look at my phone. Then, at 8:15 a.m., I get up.
So, get up means you actually stand up and leave the bed.
Exactly. Get up means to leave the bed. Let's repeat. Get up.
I wake up at 6 a.m. and I get up at 6:05 a.m. I get up fast.
You are very disciplined, David. After I get up, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face.
Me too. I wash my face with cold water. It helps me feel awake. Wash my face.
Wash my face. Cold water is good. Then, I brush my teeth.
Oh yes, very important. Brush my teeth. We must brush our teeth every morning and every night.
Yes, nobody likes bad breath. Brush my teeth.
After I brush my teeth, I go to the kitchen. I make a hot drink. I make coffee.
Coffee. I love coffee. Do you drink black coffee, David?
No, I do not like black coffee. I put a little milk and a little sugar in my coffee. I make coffee every morning.
For me, I prefer tea. In the morning, I make tea. Green tea is my favorite.
Green tea is very healthy. So, Alice makes tea and David makes coffee.
What about breakfast, David? Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I never skip breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and toast. Simple and quick. Eggs and toast. What about you, Alice? What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat cereal with milk and a banana. I like fruit in the morning.
That sounds delicious. Let's repeat the phrase. Eat breakfast.
Eat breakfast.
Sometimes people say have breakfast. Is that correct, Alice?
Yes, David. It is exactly the same. You can say eat breakfast or have breakfast. Both are perfect.
Good to know. I have breakfast at 7 a.m.
Okay, after breakfast, I need to get ready for my day. I take a shower.
I take a shower too, but I take a shower before breakfast.
Oh, really? Interesting. I like to eat first, then take a shower.
Let's practice that phrase. Take a shower.
Take a shower. Some people say have a shower. That is also correct.
Yes, take a shower or have a shower. After my shower, I get dressed.
Get dressed means to put on your clothes, right?
Yes, exactly. I put on my shirt, my pants, and my socks. I get dressed.
For me, choosing clothes takes a long time. I look into my closet and think, what should I wear today?
Classic Alice. I choose my clothes in 1 minute. Very simple.
You are lucky. After I get dressed, I brush my hair.
Ah, brush my hair. For me, I don't have much hair, so I just use my hands. But for you, it's important.
Yes, brush my hair or comb my hair.
Now we are ready. We are clean, we are dressed, and we are full of breakfast. What is next in the daily routine?
Next, we go to work.
Yes, go to work. Or if you are a student, you go to school or go to university.
How do you go to work, David? Do you drive?
No, I do not drive. I take the bus. The bus stop is near my house. I take the bus to work.
Taking the bus is good. You can read a book on the bus.
Yes, I like to read books or listen to English podcasts.
That is a great idea for our listeners. You can listen to this podcast while you go to work.
Exactly. What about you, Alice? How do you go to work?
I walk to work. My office is very close to my apartment. It takes only 10 minutes to walk.
Wow, you walk to work? That is wonderful. Walking is great exercise.
Yes, I love walking. It makes me feel happy. Let's repeat these phrases for our daily routine transport. Take the bus.
Take the bus.
Drive a car.
Drive a car.
Walk to work.
Walk to work. Perfect.
Now, let's talk about the afternoon. David, what time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
Me too. I start work at 9 a.m. I sit at my desk, open my computer, and check my emails.
Yes, checking emails is always the first thing. I work hard from 9 a.m. until 12:30 p.m. Then I am very hungry. It is time to eat lunch.
Ah, lunch, my favorite time of the workday. Eat lunch or have lunch.
Where do you have lunch, Alice?
I usually have lunch at a small cafe near my office. Sometimes I eat with my coworkers. It is fun to talk and eat together.
That sounds nice. I usually bring my lunch from home. I bring a sandwich and an apple. I eat at my desk or in the park.
Eating in the park is beautiful when the weather is sunny.
Yes, it is. Let's repeat. Eat lunch.
Eat lunch.
After lunch, we go back to work. We work for a few more hours. Then the workday ends. What time do you finish work, Alice?
I finish work at 5 o'clock p.m. 5 o'clock is the standard time.
Yes, I finish work at 5 p.m. too. Sometimes people say leave work or get off work.
Oh, yes. I get off work at 5 p.m. That is a very natural English phrase. Let's repeat that. Get off work.
Get off work. It means you stop working and you can go home.
When I get off work, I go home.
I go home too. I take the bus back home.
When you arrive home, David, what do you do first?
When I get home, the very first thing I do is take off my shoes. It feels so good to take off my shoes.
Yes, I agree. I get home, take off my shoes, and change into comfortable clothes. I change into my sweatpants and a t-shirt.
Yes, comfortable clothes are the best. Then I relax for a little bit. I sit on the sofa and watch TV.
I don't watch much TV. When I get home, I like to cook dinner.
Oh, you cook! You are a good chef, Alice.
Thank you. I like to cook dinner. Cooking relaxes me. I make pasta, rice, or chicken.
For me, I am lazy in the evening. Sometimes I cook, but sometimes I just order food.
Oh, David, cooking is healthier.
I know. I need to cook more. Let's repeat these evening phrases. Get home.
Get home.
Cook dinner.
Cook dinner.
Eat dinner or have dinner.
Eat dinner. What time do you have dinner, David?
I have dinner at 7:30 p.m.
That is a good time. I have dinner at 7 p.m.
After dinner, the day is winding down. It is nighttime. What do you do before you... That is sweet. Then, around 10:30 p.m., I start to feel tired. I go to the bathroom and I brush my teeth again.
Yes, brush your teeth for the second time. Very important. Then, I go to bed.
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
I go to bed at 11 p.m. too. I get into bed, turn off the light, and go to sleep.
Go to sleep or fall asleep?
Yes, fall asleep means you actually start sleeping. Sometimes I get into bed at 11 p.m., but I don't fall asleep until 11:30 p.m.
Me too. Sometimes my mind thinks too much. Let's repeat the night phrases. Go to bed.
Go to bed.
Go to sleep.
Go to sleep.
Fall asleep.
Fall asleep.
Wow, we talked about the whole day, from morning to night. Alice, let's ask our listeners some questions to help them practice.
Yes, listeners, please listen to these questions and try to answer them in your head or say them out loud.
Question number 1. What time do you wake up?
Think about it. Do you wake up early like David at 6 a.m.? Or do you wake up later like me at 8 a.m.?
Question number 2. Do you drink coffee or tea in the morning?
I drink green tea. David drinks coffee with milk and sugar. What about you?
Question number 3. How do you go to work or school? Do you drive, take the bus, or walk?
And final question, what time do you go to bed?
Excellent! These are great questions to practice your English daily routine vocabulary.
Now, let's do a very quick review of the key phrases we learned today. We will say them slowly. Please repeat after us.
Wake up.
Get up.
Wash my face.
Brush my teeth.
Make coffee.
Eat breakfast.
Take a shower.
Get dressed.
Go to work.
Start work.
Eat lunch.
Finish work.
Get home.
Cook dinner.
Watch TV.
Go to bed.
Fall asleep.
Wonderful job, everyone. You did great today.
Yes, practicing every day is the best way to improve your English. You are doing fantastic.
We want to connect with you. Please write in the comments below. What is your favorite part of your daily routine? Do you love breakfast? Do you love watching TV at night? Tell us.
I love making my morning coffee. That is my favorite part.
And I love my evening walk. We can't wait to read your comments.
Thank you for listening and studying with us today. Don't forget to subscribe.
See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.